What is greater, strength or wisdom? Once upon a time, there was a dog who had gotten lost in the woods. He tried and tried to find his way out, but he had no luck. It was starting to get late. Soon he was approached by the king of the jungle, the lion. The dog was terrified. He looked around and saw a few bones nearby. He turned his back on the lion and began gnawing on one of the bones. "Wow!" he exclaimed, loudly enough for the lion to hear. "This lion was sure tasty. I wish I could have another one." So saying, the dog let out a loud belch. "I would rather not mess with this dog," the lion thought. "Let me sneak away before he sees me." Seated on a tree, high above, was a monkey. "This is a great opportunity for me to win the lion's favor," the monkey thought. "Let me go and tell him what the dog is really up to." The monkey went up to the lion and said, "The dog has made a fool of you." He then went on to explain the dog's trick. "Let's go and teach that dog a lesson once and for all," he said. The lion and the monkey together set off, back towards the dog. The dog saw the lion and the monkey coming from afar. He understood right away what had happened. Thinking quickly, he turned his back to the lion and said aloud, "It's been 1 hour. Where has that monkey gone? I sent him out to lure that lion back here." The lion heard the dog's words. He was furious at the monkey. He shoved the monkey aside and ran away as quickly as he could. Moral: one who is wise can defeat someone as strong as a lion.